does your rainbow form? Why does your phone need charging? Won't explain things like this in English. You need explanation text. I'm Miss Sabita and I will teach you everything in this video. Explanation text explains how something works or why something happens. It focuses on explaining a process, especially natural or scientific processes. This text aims to inform readers about the causes, processes, and effects of phenomena in a clear, factual, and objective manner. Now, let's move on to structure. Every explanation text has two parts. Part 1 is general statement, as an introduction, the phenomenon, or something being explained. And then part 2 is sequenced explanation, is the steps which explain the phenomenon or something. Let me show you how does a rainbow form. For example, if the topic is about rainbows, the general statement might be, a rainbow is a colorful arc in the sky. It happens when sunlight meets rain. That's the introduction. Now the process. After the general statement, the text continues with a sequence explanation. Here's the example from the rainbow process. First, sunlight enters water droplets in the air. Then, the light bends and split into 7 colors, such as red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. After that, the light bounces inside the droplet. Finally, it comes out and reaches our eyes as a beautiful rainbow. Now learn about 4 language features in the explanation text. Number 1. Use present tense. Explanation text use simple present tense because the information is a fact or general truth with formula, subject plus verb 1 or SES. For example, light enters the droplet and then colors appear in the sky. Number 2. Passive voice. This is really important in the explanation text. It's also often used. The formula of passive voice, be plus past participle or verb 3 plus by and plus object. In active, like the sun hits the water. In a passive, the water is heated by the sun. We use passive voice because the focus on what happens, not who does it. In our topic, rainbow example like this. Light is split into colors. Colors are formed in the droplet, and the rainbow is created by refraction. Number 3, use connecting words. To show that the process happens in the steps, connectives are used. Some common connectives in explanation text are first, then, after that, and finally. Number 4, use action verbs. Is a word that expresses a physical or mental action performed by the subject of a sentence. Action verbs examples include enter, split, bounce, form, and create. In conclusion, today you learned about explanation text, a text that helps people understand how something works or why something happens. You know the 2 parts structure. There are general statement to introduce your topic and sequenced explanation to describe the process step by step. And then you learned 4 key language features. There are use present tense, passive voice, connective words, and then action verbs. Explanation texts are everywhere, in science books, articles, even in conversations. Now you have the skills to write them and recognize them in English. I hope this video helps you understand the topic better. Thank you for watching.